So we're just over the halfway mark now. I want you to ask yourself, how do you think you're doing? Could you have improved? Are you at your capacity? Are you perhaps even doing too much? We'll get that one boxed off straight away. You will know if you are doing too much, if your body is genuinely tired. And I'm not talking about being a little bit sore. That is par for the course. Unfortunately, for the rest of your training life, you are going to feel sore. I'm talking about being genuinely tired when your body is telling you you need a rest. And if that happens, I want you to rest. Rest until you feel refreshed. But bear in mind, if you are not on point with your water, with your calories, and especially with your protein that we'll talk about in a second, your body is going to be fatiguing a lot quicker than perhaps it normally would. As I say in the book, and I do hope you've read it by now, protein is there to help us repair muscles. It is there to help our muscle structure grow. The more muscle structure we have, the more calories we can take because our body needs more. But if you are not hitting your calorie limit, you are going to begin to struggle because your muscles will be tired. Absolutely essential. And as I say in the book, if you're not hitting your calories, it's not hugely important. Your body will tell you when you need to eat. Sometimes you may even go slightly over your calories. I really want you to try not to, but you might do if your body is telling you that. But if you are under and well under, that's absolutely fine. You'll know when you need to eat. I don't want to teach you to suck eggs. You know what? That was an expression I got told when I was in the police way back then. I still have no idea what it means. But basics. And I keep harping on about it. Are you on your steps? Are you getting your water? Because you will need it. I will push you harder and harder as training goes on. Make sure that water is there. If your nutrition isn't on point, you're not going to be getting the electrolytes in your body either. So don't just have water if your nutrition isn't on point. Go for something, so some branched chain amino acids or something like that. If you need some advice on that, please do speak to me. But I would much rather you got the amino acids from the proteins in your food. That's enough from me. I promised myself all these videos would only be about 2 minutes long, but I do keep going further and further. Keep in contact with me. Use that social media group. Get part of the group. Everybody will help you on your journey.